Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix NETFramework 3.5 DISM error in Windows 10. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy text from description and paste it. Type exit from PowerShell. Restart system. If same error still exists, second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand Windows Update. Click AU. Open Use WU server. Change value data to 0. After install NETFramework you can change to 1. Close and exit. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.